What's up, Kia 2 Technical? I'm back again with another video. As you can see, the kind of people over at SupCase was kind enough to send me out their unicorn beetle. This is the UB Grip Black and Black. I've never had this case before, so I think this is something new. But let's check it on out. I have already looked at this case, and I'm going to say I do love the style and the look of this case. On the back here, you do get MagSafe ring that also doubles as a kickstand. I'll show you that in a minute. You get your clear back. You get your red accent button for your alert slider. So now let's pick up the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Throw it in like so. So right here, you do get access to your power button, which is nice and clicky, no problem. Down here you get some grip ridges. This is for grip protection, so you don't have to worry about this phone falling out of your hand. You get the button cover up again, and I really do like that. I just snapped a picture. Let me delete that real quick. But yeah, I really do like that because you don't have to worry about dust, dirt, or grime getting on that button. Over here, you get your feet or some feet for edge drop protection. Down here, you do get all the cutouts that you need. A lanyard loop if you're into that sort of thing. You get a dust cover for your USB-C charging cable. Some more feet here. Over here, you get the ridges, your volume up and down button, which is also nice and clicky. No problem. Like I said, you get that red accent for your alert slider. I actually like that. Coming to the back here, you do get a nice cutout for your camera. So if you place your phone flat down on the table, you will be good to go. No problem there. Like I said, you get the MagSafe ring kickstand. So you can use it in this mode for typing or in this mode for watching videos or YouTube. I do like the look and feel of this case. It really does look nice. On the back here, it's rugged. Doesn't add too much grip to your device. Hope you found this video helpful, and I'll make sure I'll drop a link in the description to where you can go pick this case up for yourself. I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.